Konnichiwa, fellow adventurers. Welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving deep into the heart of Japan. If you are planning a trip to this incredible country, you're in for a treat. We have compiled 15 insider tips to ensure your journey is not just a trip, but an authentic Japanese adventure. So grab your notepads and let's get started. To truly savor the essence of Japan, you must dive headfirst into its rich tapestry of culture. Beyond the iconic tourist spots, make your way to the lesser-known corners of traditional Japanese street. Attend a tea ceremony, witness local festivals, and don't be afraid to strike up conversation with the warm-hearted locals. It's these authentic encounters that will leave an incredible mark on your travel memories. Picture this. You're in a quaint village surrounded by locals who speak limited English. Now imagine the doors that open when you greet them in their native language. Learning a few basic Japanese phrases isn't just a nicety, it's a bridge to deeper connection. Apps like Duolingo or Rosetta Stone can be your trusty companion in this linguistic adventure. Tokyo is the beating heart of Japan, but to capture the full symphony, you need to explore beyond its bustling street. Jump on a Shinkansen and whisk yourself away to the tranquil landscape of Kyoto, the historical depth of Hiroshima, or the cultural richness of Kanazawa. Each destination offers a unique piece of Japanese puzzle, and it's the journey between them that unveils the country's true beauty. While the allure of modern hotels is undeniable, to truly immerse yourself in Japanese hospitality, opt for a stay in a traditional Ryokan. The scent of tatami mats, the soothing onsen bath, and the exquisite kaiseki meals will transport you to the bygone era. It's not just the accommodation, it's a cultural journey woven into the fabric of your stay. The onsen experience is a quintessential part of Japanese culture, but there's an art to it beyond just taking a dip. Before you soak in the mineral-rich waters, ensure you wash thoroughly. Keep your towel out of the water and embrace the communal spirit. It's not just a bath, it's a ritual of relaxation and cultural appreciation. Japanese street food is a tantalizing journey for your taste buds, and the streets are a culinary playground waiting to be explored. From the sizzling takoyaki to the savory okonomiyaki, venture beyond the familiar sushi and ramen. Follow the tantalizing scents and you will find yourself in a hidden alleyways, discovering local treasures that redefine your understanding of Japanese cuisine. While iconic temples like Kyoto's Kinkakuji are a must-visit, don't overlook the hidden gems scattered throughout Japan. Wander off the beaten path to stumble upon serene shrines and temples where the whisper of history echo in the air. These lesser-known sanctuaries offer a more intimate connection with Japan's spiritual heritage. Japan's intricate web of trains and buses is not just a means of transportation. It's a cultural experience in itself. Invest in a JR Pass for unlimited travel and embrace the efficiency and punctuality of Japanese public transportation. Navigate the bustling train station and witness the daily rhythm of commuters. It's a symphony of movement and precision. Sumo wrestling is not just a sport in Japan. It's a living tradition steeped in history and ritual. Plan your visit around a sumo tournament or, for a more rich experience, visit a sumo training stable. Witnessing the sheer dedication and unique rituals of these athletes offer a glimpse into a world where tradition and athleticism collides. The Japanese tea ceremony is more than just sipping matcha. It's an art form, a meditation, and a profound cultural experience. Seek out a traditional tea house, join a ceremony, and let the meticulous movement of the tea master transport you to the world where every gesture carries meaning. It's a serene moment of connection with Japan's profound cultural heritage. For a refreshing escape from urban landscapes, venture into the breathtaking Japanese Alps. Lace up your hiking boots and explore picturesque landscape, quaint villages, and pristine nature. Whether you're an avid hiker or a stroller, the Japanese Alps offer a serene retreat that provides a stark contrast to the lively urban scenes. Japan's festivals, or Matsuri, are vibrant celebrations that showcase the country's rich cultural tapestry. Check local calendars for events like cherry blossom festivals or lantern parades. Participating in a Matsuri is a sensory overload of colors, sounds, and tradition, an experience that will embed itself in your travel memories. Unlock the mysteries of Geisha culture by immersing yourself in districts like Gaon in Kyoto. Attend a traditional Geisha performance, stroll through historic streets lined with traditional wooden machiya house, and learn about the intricate world of Geisha entertainment. It's a journey into the realm where tradition and elegance intersect. For a taste of futuristic accommodation, consider a stay in a capsule hotel. These compact yet innovative spaces redefine the traditional hotel experience, ideal for solo travelers or for those seeking a unique adventure. Capsule hotels offer a glimpse into Japan's embrace of modernity while ensuring a comfortable stay. To truly grasp the essence of Japanese hospitality, consider a homestay experience. Share meals, exchange stories, and gain insights into the daily life of a Japanese family. It's a personal connection that transcends the typical tourist experience, leaving you with not just memories, but lifelong friendships. And there you have it. 15 expert tips to elevate your Japanese journey. Remember, it's not just about visiting a destination, it's about immersing yourself in its soul. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Until our next adventure, and may your travels be filled with wonder and discovery.